The design here for a small-scale commercial development. The plant schedule sits in the right-hand side of our screen. There's a key in here, and over on the right-hand side, top right, is a layout for a cross-section through a really interesting approach to this commercial site. The designer has put a sweeping series of sinusoidal curves and filled that area with river rock pebbles. Here's some concrete paving entrance, the sidewalk there, and so on. What I'd like to demonstrate is how do we plot this design on a layout sheet with several floating viewports to show different aspects of this design. Well, I've set up a layout that I've called Landscape Plan Architectural D, and what I've done is leave the border of the floating viewports as grey, just so that we can see it. So there's one floating viewport, another floating viewport to hold the detail of how the boulders are going to be placed on site. There's another floating viewport here for the plant schedule, and so on. This is a design in the United States, and the base unit is decimal feet, and in the United States a different set of scaling on standard plans is called for. So what we want to do is to plot this drawing at, say, a fixed scale. Let's demonstrate how that's done. I'll pick Modify and Set Fixed Scale in Layout. So we need to be in Layout. We pick the viewport we want. That's the viewport holding the majority of the plan. If you look in the command line area, the prompt says, do we want metric or imperial? And if I hit imperial, I've got a choice of selecting some fixed scales that are used in the US. And of course I've been rehearsing, and I find that a scale of 1 to 64 works. Let's just drop it a little and see what happens. So we'll go 1 over 48, 1 over 48. We simply type. We don't need to click in the command area, and you can see that view, that floating viewport, is changed. So let's unselect all now. We'll repeat the Set Fixed Scale, pick it again, and type 1 over 64 and enter, and our view shrinks. I'll unselect all and shows the old drawing. So now we're ready to plot. What I'll do is just plot a quick plot rather than go for a full high resolution plot to a PDF writer. So I'll say Save as PDF. I'll go to Window and High, OK that, and just put a box around the area of interest. You will see, I'll call it gCADPlus drawing, you do see the floating viewport boundaries there, but I'm quite happy with that. As a result, if I go Control L, go to full scale, there's our full scale view. So the design is showing nicely, in this case on an architectural D size sheet. So when we go to print to a high resolution PDF writer, we can expect to get a good result.